Hi guys, this is Parshu and welcome to the Parshu's garden. So, thought of creating a video for the plantation which I've done on my terrace. So it will be easier to understand the actual setup. So we'll start with the tomato plants which I have planted in June. So this is the more than 3 months variety. So it started blooming after 3 months, and I have already got around 16 to 17 tomatoes from this, and this plant is already loaded with 10 to 12 tomatoes. So ideally, the idea is to have the tomato plants in a bigger plant than this, just to make sure that the plant grows well and the tomato size is good. Now this is the smaller size pot, which is not ideal for the tomato, which you have seen, and because of that, if you see the tomato size for the second harvest is bit small over here. Though there are a lot of flowering, lot of tomato fruiting has done, but still the size is not as good as it was for the first harvest. So ideally, I'll remove it for the next season and have this separate plant. So this is our ideal tulsi tree, which every house might be having. Inside of this, we have the Mogra and the Bittergourd variety. So Mogra I planted around November 2018, and you might have seen that this is the Bittergourd vine, which already had produced around 8 to 10 Bittergourd fruits. So first harvest is done, and for the second harvest, there are some Bittergourd already started. You see. So this is, I feel, the easier variety, just because it will start producing after 2.5 months to 3 months, and it will give you a decent harvest. Now, you see, this one is also Beetle Guard. So to the next, where it is a ova plant, which is delicious. When it grows, we can use it to make pakoda. And behind it, this is a pan poti, which we say, and it is good for kidney diseases. And also, I initially had planted a curry leaf into the same pot, and it's already been 5 months, I guess, to the curry leaves, and it is growing well. Now the second curry leaves which I have is already dried out because of the dense potting, and so I'll probably remove that. This is one of the best harvest I got ever. It has maybe the third or fourth harvest from this chili uh, plant, and we can see there are already number of chilies which are there. So I already got around 150 chilies from these plants. So initially it was a 4 plants, and now it has grown up so much that it creates a lot of flowers, lot of budding, and eventually a lot of fruits. So, and if you see, this is a Banjara kind of variety, and this is quite a good variety which I have grown. Now these are the tomato seedlings which I am growing here. These are nothing but the I'm growing from our normal tomato at home. So I bought some tomatoes which had a good size and good color. So I thought of creating a seedling from it. So it's around in 15 to 20 days I have sowed into this pot. So after the seedling grows, after a week, probably I'll plant it. This is the rose pot which I bought from the nursery for 50 rupees. It has already produced a lot of roses. Then around 60 to 70 roses I already got from this plant. And then I done some drafting to this, and now it's again blooming. If you see, there are a lot of flowering again. This is the gardenia plant, which is again a flower, and it has got some buds over here. So probably it may take 10 to 12 days to flower. Let's see how it goes. Then here also I'm having some chili or the pepper variety. So this is not the one which I bought from the nursery. This one I'm growing from the seeds at home. So this is the one, and these are the two plants, and another two are here. So ideally, uh, chili or the pepper takes around 3 months to grow, and after that it starts producing. So chili found to be the easiest for me to grow, and it's a very good crop. Below this, if you find, I have bought some seeds for the guava, and I did some seedling from it, and now I have sow it for three guavas over here. So probably it will take 3 months, I guess, to until the harvest. Now this was a lemongrass plant which I earlier had in another pot, and it was a good. Uh, it gives a good essence to your tea. So recently I had repotted it to this pot, and because of that it has been dried. Ideally, if it doesn't catch the roots with soil, it gets dried. So idea is, if you want to repot, you should be in a hurry, within a short span or initial time of the plant. You should repot it to the another pot. So let's see if it regrows, or I'll remove it. This is the aloe vera plant, which has been with me for more than 2 years now. I keep on cutting it, and it requires less water. This one is having the two chili plants, as well as I have sown some methi over here. So it has been 15 days for this methi. It has started with its baby leaves, and now from last 4 to 5 days its true leaves comes out, and it will probably within a week I'll be able to harvest. Inside this, if you see, there are two khajur plants. It has been more than 4 months. I have planted a khajur seed, and now this khajur plant has grown. If you see, there are two more over here which planted later, and it has sprouted, so probably it will also come out. There are some pomegranate plants as well. If you see, this is a pomegranate plant, this one is the pomegranate plant as well. There are a few more. So this one is a pomegranate plant. So I just pour pomegranate seeds over here, and it's sprouted.